we had some fun riding on the scooter and the bike. And here, Bill.
1.9 miles, 7 minutes.
And so we're going to a new park with a jungle gym, maybe. Let's go! So we're in a small park. It's pretty tall. Where's Bill? Slippery! Let's go again! Here Bill comes. One, two, yeah! So guys, we're on this random car. Yeah, we're gonna drive to another playground. So let's go. Yeah.
Ủa sao con lái xe này Bill?
Back? Okay. Okay guys, we're on our way to the playground. Yeah. Okay, we're here. Yeah. Come here, Bill. Okay, Bill, getting out from his mom. So let's go in. Okay, we're going in. Here we are. Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna go up. Oh, look at this slide. Hey, follow me. This look, wow. Whoa.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Let's go on it. Next.
Whoa!
are going to go to McDonald's and Fogo Yogo. It says exit only, but it also says come on in. What does that make sense? Come on in, but it's exit only. So it's Royal Pants on foil. Hey guys, it's Kiki. We got yogurt from Iso's mom. She made it. And also Iso has some nuggets. Her yogurt is right here. And cheesecake. Yeah, and Bill's in the back.
He's asleep.
Yeah.
We left him in the car to have a sleep. Then everyone went in.
Yeah, he was there alone. Babe, Bobby was
Yeah, right there.
Bobby was very happy to leave Bill in there. I don't think that's good. That's kind of weird. Because Bill's my friend anyway.
Every month to do like input body massage.
Okay, I'm gonna take a spoon.
Lives it by herself.
Okay,
Like 3
next stop, Bill's house. They're gonna drop him off.